Hi, Troy here with Dirt Road Dancing, and we're going to dance it out to Purple Chicks, which done to the song Pick Chicks by Cowboy Troy. If you want to learn how to do this dance, click on the link in the description below and it will take you to our tutorial. Alright, let's get up on the dance floor and shake it out.
Hey, all you hick chicks, Dixie divas, and you southern belles, all you redneck women, let me hear you yell.
Witness the dope lyrics that I speak. Get this, deep into your cranium. Drop it like it's hot till you glow it like uranium. Country girls in the cowgirl hats with the tattoos on the back. In the middle, right above the waistline. Hold up, y'all, here come the baseline. You like that? 808 rattling, feel it in your crack with the whale-tail D-back. Spotty off the meat rack, work a little harder so your boyfriend can see that. Playing games with your man all evening, cause you know you're gonna leave here steaming. Country girls keep the romance thick, that's why all the fellas wanna hit chicks.
Where are all the hick chicks? Where are all the hick chicks? Where are all the hick chicks?
Right here!
Where are all the hick chicks? Where are all the hick chicks? Where are all the hick chicks?
Let me hear you. Dixie divas and you southern belles, all you redneck women, let me hear you yell. Hey, all you hick chicks, Dixie divas and you southern belles, all you redneck women, let me hear you yell.
Got the boys all checking out your milkshake. Each one trying to figure what it'll take to get your name and possibly your email, cause you're a straight up countrified female. Like a fella that you met at the grocery. He was everything a man is supposed to be, but you took him to the club and he couldn't dance. Ease up, girl, give him boy another chance. We all know you want a man who can step, knows how to move and don't dance two-step. You're the one all the girls wanna be and the one all the boys come to see.
Where are all the hick chicks? Where are all the hick chicks? Where are all the hick chicks?
Right here!
Where are all the hick chicks? Where are all the hick chicks? Where are all the hick chicks?
Let me hear you. Chicks, Dixie divas, and you southern belles, all you redneck women, let me hear you yell.